Hello guys, in this video I will assemble a PC with a budget of only around $150. This time the computer will be used for playing games and video editing. What components will I use on this assembled PC? For the motherboard, I use the H61 motherboard with the LGA1155 socket, which I use this time from the Savio brand. Yes, maybe you are a little unfamiliar with this brand, but because the price is quite cheap, I have to use a motherboard with this brand. Then for the processor, I only use a processor from Intel, namely the Core i5-2400. This old processor already has 4 cores and 4 threads. I think it's enough to run games like GTA 5, Valorant and others. Then for the RAM, I use a memory RAM with a capacity of 8 GB, 2 pieces of 4 GB, with a speed of 1333 MHz, which I use this time from the Midas Force brand. For the most important component for a PC in playing games and the editing process, is of course the GPU or VGA card. I use a VGA card from the colorful brand, the NVIDIA GT 730 series. This VGA card only has 2 GB of VRAM, and is still a GDDR3 memory type. Sounds a little dubious, but what can be done to save the budget? For storage, I use a 120 GB SATA SSD which functions as system storage, and I add a 500 GB HDD from the Seagate brand as data storage. Then for the power supply, because I think the PC this time only requires quite low power, so I only use a power supply with a total power of 450 watts, not yet 80 plus certified. Maybe the power isn't pure 450 watts, but it doesn't matter as long as it's used properly. Reasonable limits. For the casing, I used a casing from the Paradox Gaming brand, namely Paradox Gaming Paisley. In appearance, this casing is quite attractive because it is tempered glass. However, this casing has a fairly narrow space inside, and the airflow quality in this casing is not good. Finally, I added 2 fans with red LED lights, to beautify the appearance of the PC, and also maintain the overall temperature of the components so that the temperature doesn't get too hot. Okay guys, so that's all the components that I use. Now I will immediately test this PC on a number of games that I have installed, about how the performance will be.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, you, baby, so I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.